How to use and dump trailers. Dump trailers are available in many different styles, including the end dump variety. These trailers are designed for home garden use and attached to all-terrain vehicles, ATVs or garden tractors. Like their name suggests, a dump-style trailer has a hatch that drops down at the end, allowing its contents to be dumped where needed. Things you'll need: garden tractor or ATV with hitch attachment, shovel, work gloves. Pull the trailer arm up to the rear end of the garden tractor or ATV. Pull the locking clevis pin out of the trailer arm. The pin may have lock pins on either side. Pull these out and place them in your pocket, then slide the clevis pin out of the arm. Align the holes on the trailer arm and the receiver hitch on the ATV or tractor, then push the clevis pin through the holes. Push the two lock pins back onto the clevis pin to secure the trailer to the ATV or tractor. Fill the dump trailer with the mulch, dirt or contents you wish to transport. Back the trailer up to the dumping area and open the hatch. Most trailers have rod pins on both sides of the hatch. Pull these out and drop the hatch. Stand to the side to avoid being covered in mulch or grit when the contents spill out. Push all contents out of the dump trailer with a shovel or by unhooking the arm from the ATV or tractor and tilting the end of the dump trailer down.